the warm, turquoise waters of the eastern Indian Ocean, where coral reefs bloom around island chains and mangrove-fringed coasts. A delicate flash of white and gold moves between branching corals. Among the reef's quiet corridors lives a species known only from a limited corner of the sea, the Andaman Butterflyfish, Chaetodon Andamanensis. This elegant butterflyfish is native primarily to the Andaman Sea, particularly around the Andaman Islands and nearby coastal reef systems of Myanmar and Thailand. These reefs are shaped by monsoon cycles, tidal currents, and warm tropical sunlight. Coral gardens, sponge beds, and rocky outcrops create a complex habitat where small reef fish weave constantly in search of food and shelter. Growing to about 13 to 15 centimeters in length, the Andaman butterflyfish has the classic butterflyfish profile. Laterally compressed, disc-shaped, and built for precise maneuvering through coral branches. Its coloration is refined and luminous. The body is typically pearly white to pale silver, accented by soft golden hues that glow under sunlight. A vertical dark band runs through the eye, masking it from predators and adding contrast to the face. Along the sides, subtle yellow tones may form faint stripes or shading that blend smoothly into the fins. The tail often carries brighter yellow coloring, creating a gentle highlight as the fish turns in the light. Though not as boldly patterned as some of its relatives, its understated elegance makes it distinctive. In clear water, the pale body almost reflects the surrounding reef, giving it a graceful and almost translucent appearance. The Andaman butterflyfish spends much of its time close to living coral. Like many butterflyfish in the genus Chaetodon, it feeds on coral polyps, small and tiny organisms that live among reef structures. Using its narrow snout and fine mouth, it carefully picks at coral surfaces with remarkable precision. This feeding behavior closely ties its survival to the health of coral reefs, making the species sensitive to coral decline and environmental change. Adults are often observed alone or swimming in pairs, especially during breeding periods. Mated pairs may patrol a shared feeding territory, moving in synchronized patterns through coral formations. Their movements are calm and deliberate, rarely hurried, as they glide from one coral head to the next. During reproduction, pairs release eggs into open water, where currents carry them into the planktonic stage. The young drift with the ocean before eventually settling onto reef habitats, beginning life among coral branches as juvenile. Because of its relatively limited geographic distribution, the Andaman butterflyfish remains less widely known than many Indo-Pacific butterflyfish species. Yet within its home waters, it plays a quiet but important role in reef ecology, participating in the delicate balance between coral growth and grazing organisms. For divers exploring the reefs of the Andaman Sea, a glimpse of this species can feel like spotting a piece of sunlight shaped into a fish. It drifts effortlessly among coral gardens, pale body glowing softly in filtered light. In the coral sanctuaries of the eastern Indian Ocean, the Andaman butterflyfish moves with gentle precision, a silver and gold presence woven into the living fabric of the reef, delicate yet essential to the underwater world it calls home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more deep sea wonder.